Hello, welcome back to my channel, and I'm in the kitchen, so it means I'm making something, and the thing I'm going to make today is pancakes! Woo! Remember my last pancake video? Yeah, that was a fail. I'm just hoping it's going to be a success this time. Well, what you need is a bowl, sieve, sugar, leaf flour. What does it have? Plain flour? I got myself a raisin flour, eggs, and a wooden spoon. So what you do first, you put the flour in like so. Don't know how much flour I'm putting in. And you put in the sugar. It's gonna be one sweet one. And do what I do? I just stir it in. Get the eggs. I don't know how many eggs I'm going to put in, so I'm going to guess about 3 eggs. They're very large ones too. Add some vanilla flavor in. Ooh! Yeah, that's a bit too much vanilla. Yeah, I think that could be a bit too much vanilla. One other important ingredient is milk. You just pour it in. Loop, 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 loop. And you get your wooden spoon and you just stir it like so. Should be it. Ooh. I think that's it. Let's make our first one. The first one's always weird. I think I started that one a bit too early, but it's coming along now. Yay! Ooh, it smells so nice. I'm not using olive oil. It smells so nice. Ooh, it's different at the bottom. Oops. Well, that's the first one. Yeah, it kind of looks okay-ish. It looks like a little bit burnt, but yeah. I'm trying the first bit. It tastes really nice. Like a proper pancake. Yeah, I'm not failing. It's been successful. Woohoo! I'm going to do small ones. Clarity can't hear me because the extractor fan is on. now that that's done, there's my pancakes. I did not fail this time. Hallelujah! I'm so happy I did not fail. I've also got more extra left over for another rainy day. So, the first pancake that I had was pretty much nice. Even though it's like the weird one. Well, every first pancake you make is always weird. So, bon appetit, and let's try a bit of pancake. Oh my god, that's so good. A little bit of egg in it, but it's so good. And that's how I make a pancake. I don't know where I put my syrup, but I don't think I'll have syrup with this. And that's the video. Give it a thumbs up. Comment down below if you want me to try and make anything else. Hopefully it doesn't fail. And see you in the next video. Bye!